Happy morning, welcome back with another vlog. It's day 9 on a 48-day study challenge. I'm starting my day with nature with colorful flowers and few veggies that has grown in my terrace garden. I'm gonna make some hibiscus tea with this flower today. So these are the goodies I got today from my garden. My targeted subject for today is Indian polity, history and ethics. I'm starting my first session with Indian polity. So the topic I'm going to learn today is civil services, which has been divided into center and state, that is central civil services and state civil services. I'm going to cover these topics with my video lectures, which has been divided by 4 videos. First video is introduction, second is All India Services, third is UPSC, and fourth is role of civil services in a democracy. Including this, I'm also going to read with the standard book Lakshmikant, that is chapter 43 and chapter 44, which is Union Public Service Commission and State Public Service Commission, which comes under part 7, that is constitutional bodies in Lakshmikant book. So firstly, I'm going to listen to the lectures and then I'm going to make notes out of it. As you all can see that I have completed with the first video, that is introduction part. Then I'm moving on to the second video, that is All India Services. So it took almost 5 hours to complete everything, that is all 4 videos from my tablet, and also I completed reading all 2 chapters from Lakshmikant book. The pendings I have is the chapter 66 from Lakshmikant book, that is public services, which comes under part 11 of the book. Moving on to the next session with history. I have uploaded a video on Booklist of history, you can check out. I'll pin that in the top right and also I'll give the link in the description. And also you can check my previous video about the resource I'm using now for history. I'm using Tamil Nadu textbooks for history. The details of that I have already uploaded in my previous video. You can check that. I have made some handwritten notes which is very clear and effective, which I will be using that for my revision. So the chapter I'm learning now is Ancient Cities of Tamilagam, which is not so important for UPSC, but it is important for Tamil Nadu Public Services. Since I'm from Tamil Nadu, I also gave my attempts to both UPSC and also Tamil Nadu Civil Services. So this is my final output, that is my notes. It's Sunday and so I'm spending my time for my hobbies. I have quite huge hobbies. One of them is gardening. So I have added some clips about my garden in this video. This is my turmeric plant. I have planted it 8 to 9 months ago. I think in February, I think. So today I'm going to split this and repot it again. I hope you like my video. Hit the like button if you are inspired by my vlog. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my upcoming vlog. Thank you for watching my video.